Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of the Honcho Wholesale unboxing video that I did. If you're interested in seeing the items that I got, please go back and watch the first video. I will have it linked down below. Now, we are going to see if I'm going to make some money, if I'll be able to recoup what I spent. So if you're interested in seeing that, please continue to watch. I'm going to give you the specs again. So this is a woman's plus size apparel, primarily for fall and winter. And it is a manufacturer sale retail price of $1,456 worth of merchandise. 25 items, but I only paid $150.50. So that brings me to $6 an item. Okay, now I have my little clipboard here to kind of let me know, for me to keep up with what I will be able to send into FBA and what I'll be able to send into what I'll have to put on other platforms. Okay, so starting with what's on top here is the green pants. It looks a little darker than that on camera, but I'm telling you, these are like an emerald color green. So let's see if we can get it to scan, because this is going to be interesting, because this is one of the reticket items too. So that's a good one to first start out with, because it looks like it's been cut. So I'm not sure if it's going to be able to actually scan. So I'm on my Amazon Seller Central, and I'm under add a product, as you can see right there. So we're going to hit the little camera icon and see if we can get it to scan. It may not scan it if it's an incomplete barcode, which it looks like that's exactly what it is. So I am going to do the SKU. I'm gonna have to type that in, so give me one moment. It came up, but this is why you have to look at the item. So it has a sales rank. It came up, but what color is that? That is not green. It says that they are purple, but these are not purple. So this is not the right SKU for these. So what I could do, hold on, let's not give up yet. I'm going to go in and just do the title. So I'm going to highlight the title of it and see if there's a variation listing, and then I can search that way. Okay, so unfortunately the size that I need, which is a 24W, is not in the Amazon catalog. That's okay. It'll go on another platform, and moving on. Okay, so the next item is this sweater cardigan from Style & Co. This has an actual tag, so we should be able to scan it. So let's see. Go. It's on there. There's a 1X. Yep. And it's 1104. We will make, I'm sorry, it's 1975. We will make 1105. These are the purple. It's like a wine color, actually. Pants that I did. I'm not gonna keep pausing for y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and just scan it, because let's be truthful, we all just want to know what the next one is. That two-piece dress. Okay. And it's on there. Whoa! This thing is going for $81.15. The sales rank is awesome, but Amazon is on the listing. So, so I've seen people actually go in and like severely undercut Amazon. I'm not one that I don't like that idea, because then that starts the whole tanking thing. So I think I am going to come in. I understand why they come in under it though, because if you match them, it's like you rest would just get it from Amazon. Let's see, next one. Make sure that it's not scanning the wrong barcode here, because you know with these they have the customer return barcode as well. Okay, so this one's not on there. Do the next one. Now don't think because you have like similar items that it is going to be like, oh well, since one is not on there, the other one probably won't be. Don't think like that. Don't think like that, because that's when you'll be like, oh, it was on there. You understand what I'm saying? So don't think like that. Just go ahead and scan it either way so that you know. Okay. Because just when you be like, well, that one wasn't on there, that one wasn't on there, you scan the other one and be like, oh, well then, this one's on there, cool. And I wasn't going to scan it, you know. See? Look, prime example. So, this one wasn't on there, and it's going for $12. And this one wasn't on there, going for $12. Same make and model. Like I said, watch the first video. But this one is. Okay? It's not the same. It's the same maker, but they're different. You know, you understand what I'm saying. So, okay. So this one is good because this one doesn't have any other sellers on it, but it has a sales rank, and I can work with that. So, and the sales rank is not bad, so I can work with it. Okay. So in these instances, I do a little bit more research and find out exactly what it's going for, and then I'll plug in my price, because I don't want to put in a price that's too high, but you also don't want to put in a price that's too low. So we're just going to save this one, and I'll come back to it because I gotta do a little bit more research. We're gonna go on to the next one. Let's see. Okay, that one's on there, and the rank is good. It's going for $29.99. I will profit $21. I'll try to tell you. This is the pretty blouse too, so I'm glad it's on there because it is such a cute blouse. Okay, scan the next one. This is another pretty blouse. This is so pretty. Oh, ew. Can't believe it. It's not on there. It's not in the catalog. Can't believe it. Next. Be careful getting it out the box there. Don't want to take the tag off like I just did. Well, like I almost just did. Okay, that one's on there. Going for $19.99. And I can make... Oh, I went too fast. Gotta go back. I went too fast there. So I'm going back because I can't. 12. Okay. These are on there. Good rank. Going for 29. Profit will be 19. I literally almost scanned the return barcode. Okay, it's on there, but there is no sales rank. Womp womp. Okay. Next is see here. This is what happens when you're a one-man show. It's all good though. Okay, so on there. Going for 11. I will make $6. That on there. Okay. On there. $19.99. Profit 10. Next one. As you see, I'm doing this with my phone. Some people use barcode scanners. I'm thinking about investing in that. I'll probably do that once I actually invest in software that will actually scan it and do everything for me. There's some good software out there that I've been looking at and thinking about once I get in the position to be able to invest in my business. So, but I figured I wouldn't need it for this because I'm not doing it on the computer. So, I'm doing it on the phone. So, there we go. Okay. Guys, I mean, other than a few items, I'm actually able to send in a lot of these. So this is $16.78. So I would profit $10. Get the pencil on my hand. I don't want to write on anything. Okay. And it's on there, but there is no sales rank. We're almost done here, guys. Let's see. Oh. Okay, on there. $19.99. After fees, we make. I'm sorry, I did not explain that. When I say the amount that will profit, that's the amount after fees. That's why it's not the same amount as the sell price. Like if it's going for $19.99 and then there's a profit amount, that's after Amazon take their fees and everything. So I do apologize for not explaining that early on in the video. Okay, next one. Oh, okay. Ooh, oh, that was a pretty ombre sweater. So it's going for $18.99. After fees, I will make, I believe it said 9. This was that long, heavy navy dress. Okay. And go. Oh, good. It's on there. Going for $18.99. After fees, it would be $10. Alright, this one's on there. Navy blue cardigan. Going for $28.99. At the fees, profit $20. Okay. Okay, there we go. Hit the little camera icon here to scan it. There we go. Alright, that one's on there. Top purple tunic. This one currently doesn't have any FBA sellers, so I love when it's like that because that means I get to set the price. So I'm going to set it to the highest that it was selling for, which is $19.99, and that gives me a profit of, I'm gonna take a guess and say $10. Oh, wait a minute. Up 12. Your tunic on there. Going for $24.97. Gives me a after price of $16.56. Alright, last item is the fur. Scan it from right here. Good, it's on there, thank God. Okay. Going for $54.99. After fees, it will be $37. So now what I'm gonna do is check out the other items that were not on there, see what I can get for those, and then I will come back with my final price, with my ETA, my estimated amounts. Okay, I've done a tally of all the numbers, so here we go. So on Amazon, after all the fees, my amount that I will make is $287. On the other selling platforms, after all their fees, I will make a total of $66, which gives me an all-around total of $350. I subtract what I spent on the whole lot, and I get a total profit of $202.50. That is awesome. That's great. Especially for my first box from them. That's awesome. So I'm very pleased, and I will probably order more from them. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.